Hi guys, MrBeast has reached 50 million subscribers. As you might know, when PewDiePie reached 50 million subscribers, he got a custom award. And now I'm making a custom award for MrBeast. Let's get into it. It wouldn't fit in, but it was not that big of a problem because I only had to file it a little bit out and it would fit in perfectly. I was really surprised how I could get the shape from this to this. I know the chances are incredibly small he will see this, but if he does, yes, I am willing to send it to you. Just leave a comment.
A few moments later.
I tried to push it a little bit further in, but it sadly broke off. Now let's see how it looks in the dark. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's totally free and you can always change your mind.